how to change fuel injectors or remove the fuel injector rail on a 2015 Chevy Sonic. You're gonna want to remove this right here. It has a snap pin in it, just a little wire. You pull it out, yank it out, super simple. And then it is a T30 here, and then the blue fuel rail disconnect. Pop it right here. After you remove this, it just pops right off with this top part here. Spread those arms, and then down here, I'm not sure if you can see it, it's a bolt right here that's sticking out. It has that holds the ground strap onto the fuel rail itself. That right there, you'll want an extension and a flex head 3/8 ratchet, and it's an E12. Slide it right down in there. That'll come out. It still has tabs that hook into the plastic of the intake. Stick a screwdriver in from the side here, and once you get the bolt out, you can pry this little eyelet hook out of there because it has little prongs that hold it in as well, not just the bolt. And then this should just pop out super easy. All the other videos took forever to tell you simple information. Hopefully this is helpful.